Hi everyone and welcome back. Here we are, another video of my journey of getting tools together for DIY. So I went online, saw this pop up. I think it was when I got those combination pliers with the screw extractors. So I thought I'd leave it alone, but then it got the better of me. So I ordered it, and here we are. So we've got the vessel, screwdriver, don't know what else to call it, but yeah. So it's magnetic, 6.35 millimeter hex. So that's a quarter inch, I think. We've got Phillips 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 posi drives, 6mm slotted, and 110mm length. So that, I think that's just that. So what we've got here, so everything's in Japanese. Yeah, there's nothing else. So it's a vessel product. There's the product code, 220W-3. I don't know what else it means, but made in Japan. So yeah, let's get this bad boy open and have a look at it closer. So here we are. So we've got all the bits out. They seem to be magnetic. All the bits are magnetic. Yeah. So here's the number 2, clearly stated on there. 6mm for the slotted. We've got a number 1 Phillips, a number 3 Phillips. We've got a number 3 posi drive and a number 2 posi drive. So there we go. I've got to admit, nice finish, but I can see that wearing away once you start using it. So let's have a look. Handle. Not too bad, rubberized. Pro-Con. There's the number again, 2020W, made in Japan, vessel stamped all over. I think this was a box standard screwdriver that I've purchased. Can't remember how much it was, but oh, that is a tight fit. I ain't coming out anytime soon. Let's try a number. Yeah, that's pretty good. Fits really well. There's no movement at all. Wow. I wonder if you can just see that. There's no movement. Well, there is a bit, but not as much as I thought it would be. You know, that's pretty good, that. Let's try one of these. Huh. That's just... that fits really well as well. Well, let's bring it out. So really, you could actually make this longer. You know, get the 330. Remember the review? Yeah, well, it's not. It wasn't a review. It was another tool that I was bringing into my set, but I decided I'm not going to because they were so horrible Amtech ones, but that, get a really long one, 300mm. That'll do it. You know what that is? Okay, slight movement, but you know, you can use it on your drill. But that's pretty good. That's just demonstration, that's all. But I suppose you could, I think the idea is, so it goes into the palm of your hand there, and you really can put some torque onto it. So I wonder how these fit in the impact. They don't. I'm going to assume these aren't designed for these impacts, only the JDM Makita. But I'm liking this. That's a number 3. So I've got a typical screw. Oh, that fits really well in there. Let's try me block of wood. Well, maybe I shouldn't hold it like that, but yeah. Pretty good. Word of warning, don't do that. I just realised what I was doing. So that's the number 1. Even though that's a posi, but oh, that fits really well in there as well. Let's try the number 2. That fits really well. Yeah, I'm liking it. Yeah. Yep. These are the Phillips. I mean, posi drive. Oh yeah. You know what? These really fit well in the screws. There's hardly any play. I suppose it'll show better on that one. There's hardly any play on there. The twisting action, I'm doing a bit of twisting action there. There's hardly any play on it. Pretty good. The only downside that I can see is you take the one that you use the most, so which is the number 2 posi drive, you put it in, right? So you're carrying 1 bit there. Well, technically 2 bits, but these 2. It would have been nice if that handle was a bit longer and you could actually slot these in. But that's the only downside. I suppose you could fit these in some form of bit carrier. Or I could just put them in me Milwaukee drill set. I think that's what I would have to do so I don't lose them. That's the downside. The product itself, I like it. I really do. I'm not just saying it. It feels good in the hand. It actually does feel good in the hand. But yeah, I've got quite a lot of screwdrivers now. But this and the weight, there's hardly any movement in the shaft going inside the handle. But yeah, I like it. I really do. Seem to be very easily pleased. But let me know what you think in the comments. Have you got something like this or something similar? I'd love to know. But how would you overcome putting these away? But yeah, I'm liking it. Thumbs up on this one. But so on that note, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Helps the channel grow, helps me bring more content like this. So on that note, I'll see you on the next one.